Welcome to a couple of bunkies. A representative from Deko Tools reached out to us. They offered us a tool of our choice in order to make a video.
We had a lot of small projects around the house and we needed something small and compact. This DEKOPRO cordless screwdriver provided us a perfect opportunity to use something compact for our projects, at the same time reviewing a product for Deko Tools.
This product came with a lot of accessories that came in handy throughout the next couple projects. This first project was a little camping stool that I wanted to put together for a long time.
We wanted to make this stool folding so we can store it away when it's not in use.
We initially felt that this project might be a little bit heavy for this small tool.
However, this little tool surprised us and we ended up using it for putting together most of the project.
There were just some areas that this little tool could reach better than my larger drill.
If you're interested in the full video of this project, please ring the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified when we release that video.
You can also show us your support by buying us a cup of coffee. Just search Bunky's Woodworking at buymeacoffee.com.
This was supposed to be a small weekend project, so we didn't bother to engineer it at all. You will see what happens after that.
Okay, who wants to fall on first?
I'll do.
Okay, so it might not make the best chair, but it makes a pretty good table. A small folding table like this is perfect for tailgating, poolside, or even camping, or just having it around the house.
This next project is one of my favorites. We had to make a particular space for pets. Full video of this project will be released shortly. Please ring the bell icon so you'll be notified when it will be released. Don't forget to subscribe though.
This screwdriver was actually really important for this project. There were lots of tight spaces where a larger drill just wouldn't have done the job. And the drain for the pet waterer was installed with hose clamps that could only be reached with the flexible shaft included with the screwdriver.
This screwdriver also came in handy while installing the cabinet doors. This provided a designated feeding space for the animals, and automatic waterer was amazing. Please check out this video, it's coming up soon.
During the winter time, we had a dog run that we had set up between the horse pasture and the house. The dog run ended up running right over top of our fire pit, so we ended up having to move it over a little bit. And I went ahead and grabbed the Deko tool in order to do the job. It fit perfectly in my pocket and I was able to undo the wires and move it over fairly quickly. I was also able to add a fairly substantial turnbuckle to the system in order to tighten the wire rope. I was able to use the socket adapter and socket set included with this kit in order to do this job. And it charges from a 5-volt cell phone adapter.
We've been wanting to put shop lights in our garage for a very long time. We just couldn't get around to it.
So to install the shop lights, I used the drill bit and a Phillips head bit. This tool was perfect for this project. Deko Tools has a wide variety of products available on their Amazon store. They're also offering our viewers up to 70% off the product price after filling out a questionnaire.
Link to their Amazon store and details about the questionnaire are in the description below. Don't forget to check it out.
This cordless screwdriver was just one of many tools they had.
The screwdriver is compact, cordless, easy to take to job sites and so on. There are pros to this cordless screwdriver, at the same time there are cons. The biggest con that I can see is it is underpowered for certain types of projects. If you are doing specific kinds of projects around the house, fixing things or putting things together like shop lights or hangers on the wall, this is a perfect tool for that project. We find ourselves using this tool and the accessories that came with it for all sorts of projects all over the house, indoor and outdoor.
When I was in the Navy, there was a book called Tools and Their Uses, and it taught you not to use a screwdriver when you really needed a pry bar. I think that there is a perfect application for this. It does very light shop work and most household projects. And thank you for Deko Tools for adding this tool to our home.